In this video, we're going to discuss about quadratic inequalities. Okay, you can see we have a function fx equal x squared plus 5x plus 4. And the quadratic inequalities, we are looking for two questions here. So the first one, what is the value of x if fx greater than 0? And another one, what is the value of x if the function, the graph or the fx is less than 0? Okay, so these are the two questions that we're going to solve in this video. Okay, first of all, sketching will help us to solve this quickly. But sketching, what do we need to sketch? First, we need the shape of this. If we see here, the function here, a is positive. Positive means it is smiley shape. Okay, and then let's see where the graph the graph crosses at the x-axis. As we learned before, so we need to factorize this, right? So x squared plus 5x plus 4 equals 0, because where it crosses at y equals 0, right? So and then we're gonna factorize this. So we get x plus 4x plus 1. So that makes 5x. So x plus 4 equals 0. We get x is negative 4. And x plus 1 equals 0. We get x equal negative 1. So we have one more to find where the graph crosses at the y-axis. If x equals 0, what happened? 0 squared plus 5, 0 plus 4. So this is 0, 0. So we get 4, means it crosses at 0, 4. Okay, now we have enough information. We have 0, 4, we have x negative 4, x negative 1, and we have a smiley shape to sketch. Okay, let's sketch this. The y-axis is the fx. Okay, so this is the fx. And we have negative 1, negative 4, so both at the negative side. And 0, 4, okay, so we have this. So this is 4, this is negative 1, this is negative 4. Okay, first question here. If fx greater than 0. So what is fx greater than 0? Fx means the y-axis, the fx axis. So 0 is here. So maybe here is 1, here is 2, here is 3. So they are asking the above side of the graph, yeah? So that would be this area. So this line is actually above or when y greater than 0. And this part also when y greater than 0, right? And it means that for this graph, the graph, the area or the part that greater than 0 is when x greater than negative 1. And the other one when x less than negative 4. Yeah, because if you see here, what happened is this is where this point, it is where x is negative 0.9 maybe, here negative 0.8, here negative 0.7, and so on. Here it is when 1 maybe as the graph, if we extend it maybe 2. So all the values that greater than negative 1, and the same thing happened here. Okay, this side might not be really nice here. So maybe negative 5 or negative 6, negative 7. If we extend this, it goes like negative 8, negative 9, and it's getting smaller than that. That is why these are the inequalities for fx greater than 0. Okay, so that is for fx greater than 0. Okay, second question. What if fx less than 0? Less than 0, the values that below the graph, below the x-axis, not below the graph, below the x-axis, definitely this part. This is the part where below or the y value is less than 0. Okay, so maybe I can write here, this is when y values less than 0. So below that. So this is connected, right, to the graph here. It's between negative 4 and negative 1. And for this answer, the x will be less than -1, but somehow it is greater than -4. Alright, so if you see this look like a connected and the other one look like split, it depends on the graph. Yeah.